Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to deal with TikTok community guidance, in particular if you had certain violation or you have a copyright strikes and your videos were taken down. So the first thing that you want to do guys is you want to click on the lower right corner where you see your profile picture. Then I want you to go ahead and click on the three straight lines on the top right. We're not gonna lose our time. Click on settings and privacy. Then I want you to scroll all the way to the bottom of the page, and then I want you to stop on the support and about. Click report a problem. Don't lose your time on topics, popular questions. This is simply Q&A suggestions what could be the issue. This is not the issue. Your videos probably were taken down, probably your account has been restricted, shadow banned, so on and so forth. Let's clear all the issues with the copyrights. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the page, click submit, and you're going to submit this particular report or something very similar that appeals to your situation and to your case. Over here, I structure a special message for you that simply states that you're really curious and wonder why your videos were taken down. You want to make sure that explain to them that your content is original and follows the guidance of TikTok. And it's very important for you to point out and highlight that under section 187 of the Copyright Act, everyone is allowed to use a small piece of content. As you can see over here, the Copyright Act provides the stationary framework for determining whether something is fair use and identifies certain types of uses, such as criticism, comments, news reporting, teaching, scholarship, and research. And also you want to finish with please restore my content as soon as possible. That's not all, guys. I want to make sure that you include all these 4 possible images uploads and 1 video. These images have to be something that someone else publishes that is very similar, if not the same. For example, if you have taken a small piece of the news and you make a small comments on it, and somebody else took the same piece of news and make a comments, but their video is still up running and your video has been taken down, well, this is your chance to simply either screen record and upload the video over here and pinpoint that they're using the same content, why your video was taken down for copyrights or violation, or their video of the other person or other account is still on. If your issue is from another matter, for example, if your content has been taken down for, let's say somebody fake reports that your content is dangerous, it's against the policy, you have to do the same exact thing. You gotta go out there and find people publishing the same content or very similar, if not the same type of content. Take a screenshots, take a screen recording, right? Upload all the evidences, and this is how you get things resolved, guys. Every time when I had my videos taken down, sometimes 3-4 videos in a row, one after another, 4 different videos were taken down for same issue. And every time I submit my message, my report, and every time I won the battle. So this is how we can go about dealing with community guidance and violations, including copyrights on TikTok. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.